breathing slow in line. Your letter on my pillowcase still smells faintly like your pine. I